I think the topic that we had, importance of education was the topic, or I think it was internet, or it was social media is good or bad. It was the topic. Social media is good or bad. Yeah. It was the topic. Yeah. Right. So I hope that you may have prepared the topic. Yeah. Right? You may have written something. Yeah. Initially, I'll give you a single minute to present the views or the thoughts which you have written. Right. And later on we can go for the discussion, but initially you'll be given a single minute to present the views. Yeah. So I'll be starting. Those who can speak first, those who can initiate first. When you have hesitation, you just listen to them. Right? You'll be getting some opportunity or the chance to speak. So who would like to start? The topic is social media is good or bad. That's the topic. You can almost include everything: Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube also. Yeah. Right. What is the impact of the social media? If it is good or bad, how is it useful to us and how is it very destructive to us? Because it saves the time, it also wastes your time. Yes. So, like with a way, how do you use it? Is it good and bad way?
Social media is a internet technology. We can say like our communication technology. We can use for sharing information, for made of sharing like photos, video, emojis, emotions. Basically used for widely used simple form one to one.
Social media is good for society because social media, great way to connect with people and you listen all the time. It's also great for making friends and any current news can be seen through social media. And if you have a question and you can ask social media, people sometimes people find a job on social media and hackers use social media. People share personal information and social media good for society. People use the internet, Twitter and Instagram daily and
According to me, social media is a way or a platform which gives chance to everyone to show her his skills, and it is also a good way to earn money for earn money for run their livelihood. But sometimes in social media, the people use this social media for the bad purpose. Sometimes through the social media, people are criticized by someone, which is not good because it hurts so much for someone because social media is a platform in which the information is viral very quickly. Because of that, the image of that person should be destroyed in seconds. So the use of social media is to be in a right way.
Good. Next.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Tabitha, and today I'm going to tell about social media's matter. According to this is both sides because we see the many students they operate well. This is not matter what is their age and what is their standard class 8, 9, 10. Every student use this. Before this technology, then every student and everybody who wants something to do so they read the book and they collect the knowledge from the book and the other side. And his half life is gone to be reading book and collect the knowledge. But we see the one thing that this time social media save our very time because we want to search something like this. So we can search in the Google and the YouTube and many search engines in there. And bad side of social media is many students play games like PUBG. I can according to me, we should take a good side of social media, mainly student, because students should follow our study, follow our knowledge skills, and they can show our skills like they want to they better in dance, so they can upload a video on YouTube. They make a channel on YouTube, and they show up many skills of there. So it is, social media is both sides good according to me, but the students should follow the good side, not bad side. Thank you.
Next. Anybody of you, please start. Yeah, go ahead, speak. Yeah.
According to me, social media is very beneficial for students. For students, it can broaden their knowledge, and in this time, we can't go to school, but social media can run the classes of school and coaching. And the research has never been easier than what it is now. People connected by social media and
Next.
Social media is a very helpful in our education system. We can learn videos in education. We can chat with our friends and you can live lecture while sitting in India. Thank you.
Good. Next.
Social media is the internet-based technology that facilitates sharing of ideas, thoughts, building communities, and virtual invitation. Social media help artists to show their works and gain an audience. Because of social media, distance is not a barrier anymore. We can connect with people when they live far away. We can connect we can connect any part of the world. Social media is good for adults. They can connect their old friends and families.
Speak a bit louder.
Hello everyone, my name is Utpal. I am going to tell about my topic. My topic is social media. According to me, social media is very important for get any information because the social networking sites we get a lot of knowledge. There are many applications. There are many famous applications on social networking sites such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, Twitter, and Telegram, etc. are also available on the social networking sites. We can chat with our friends and relatives on WhatsApp and Facebook. We can upload a story and photos on Facebook and on Instagram also. WhatsApp is very useful application for video calling. Amazon and Flipkart is very useful application for online shopping. Zomato app is very useful application for order online food. Zoom app is very useful application for all students. Student can study sitting at home on Zoom app easily. YouTube is very useful application for getting any information and knowledge such as watching food recipes, watching movies, watching cartoons, watching serial and listening song, etc. are also available on the YouTube. Many social networking sites are available on the Google. So I think social networking sites is good for everything. Thank you.
Next.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sandeep Modia and I am about social media. According to me, social media is interactive technology for using another world. And due to the help of technology, we can share our any type of documents, photos, and videos from one place to another within a few minutes. Due to the help of social media, we earn some money by uploading video on YouTube, and social media gives us many information about the world and we get a knowledge about it. Social media gives a knowledge skill for students. That social media uploaded many apps which was used by the community of the world. And like many apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, which were used in the modern time. So its merits and it have a many merits and demerits of the social media, which was used by the people.
Next.
I'm telling about social media. Social media has 24 hours and available. You have any doubt to search social media and currently answer. So I have many times doubt who make network and computer. So I know that Charles Webb is the inventor of network and computer. Thanks for Charles Webb was the father of computer and networking.
Next. Speak something.
My name is Edmund. I am speaking from social media.
Speak little bit loud.
Social media is very good things about sharing apps and sharing pictures and sharing links and sharing websites. It's very good to search others and download the app and some take WhatsApp, Facebook and anything. It is a good to Instagram. It's a good to Instagram. Social media is good to the study and